Good day, grade 3. Today, we are going to have a fun and exciting lesson in English. We will learn about three important things: high frequency words, simple sentences, compound sentences. These will help us read better and write more clearly. So get your notebooks ready, open your minds, and have fun. Let's go, grade 3. So, ano nga ba ang high-frequency words? So, yung high-frequency words are words we often use when reading and speaking. Examples nito ay ang mga sumusunod. Sige, basahin natin. I, you, we, they, like, have, want, yes, no, good, and kind. Sige, basahin nyo ulit. Ready, begin. Okay, very good. So yan ang mga halimbawa ng high frequency words. Okay, now let's try to find the high frequency words here in this sentence. So we have a sentence here. I am happy. Can you read it again? Okay, very good. So ano kaya ang high frequency words dyan sa I am happy? Okay, the answer is I and am. Iyan ang mga high frequency words na makikita dito sa sentence na I am happy. So we have I and am. Ngayon naman, i-define natin ano nga ba ang simple sentence. Okay, a simple sentence is a sentence that tells one idea or action. Ibig sabihin, isang ideya lang ang binabanggit or sinasabi sa sentence at buong diwa na siya. Example, Anna is reading. Another example, the dog is running. And now, let's proceed to compound sentence. Ano nga ba ang compound sentence? Sige, basahin natin ng sabay-sabay. Ready, begin. A compound sentence is a sentence that joins two simple sentences using words like and, but, or, because, so. Okay, sa madaling salita, ang compound sentences daw or a compound sentence ay pinagsamang dalawang simple sentences. Yung example kanina, magiging palatandaan nyo or yung clue nyo na yung sentence ay compound sentence kung pakikita nyo ang mga sumusunod. Yung and, but, or, because, and so. Halimbawa, Anna is reading. And, okay, ito yung and. Nung nakita mo, nabasa mo yung and, yun na, may clue ka na na ang binabasa mo or yung sinusulat or isusulat mo ay compound sentence. And Ben is writing. Okay, this is an example of compound sentence. Okay, pag may nakita kang and, but, or, because, or so. Sa case na to, sa example, ang meron tayong clue dito ay ang word na and. Okay. Kaya masasabi natin siya na compound sentence dahil dalawa. Anna is reading. Si Anna daw ay nagbabasa at si Ben is writing. Okay, si Ben daw ay nagsusulat. So, dalawa siyang simple sentence, pinagsama, kinombine, okay, ginamitan ng mga words like and, but, or, because, and so. Okay? Sige, try natin tong activity na to. Identify the sentence. Okay, basahin natin. Ready, begin. My brother is cleaning the room. Okay, ano kaya siya? Compound or simple sentence? Number 2. My sister is cooking and mom is washing dishes. Okay, ano kaya siya? Compound or simple sentence? May sagot na? Okay, sige, sagutin natin. Kung ang sagot mo sa number 1 ay simple sentence, my brother is cleaning the room. So, simple sentence, ikaw ay tama. Number 2. My sister is cooking and, ayun, may clue na ako. And mom is washing dishes. So, dalawang simple sentence pinagsama. Kung ang sagot mo ay compound sentence, correct. Very good. Okay, para mas lalo tayong mahasa or ma-practice sa simple and compound sentences, try nating sagutan ang 1 to 5 na activity na to. So, sabi dyan, identify the sentence. Write simple or compound on the blank before each sentence. Number 1, basahin natin. The dog barked loudly. Okay, is it simple or compound? Paisulat. Number 2. She wanted to go to the park, but it started to rain. Okay, is it simple or compound? Number 3. Ben plays the piano. Okay, is it simple or compound? Number 4. I love spaghetti and my brother loves pizza. Okay, is it simple or compound? Number 5, last number. They went to school. Okay, is it simple or compound? Okay, copy and answer. Great job today, grade 3, kung nagawa mo lahat ng digital activity for today. So for our quick recap, let's remember what we learned today. Sige, basahin natin sabay-sabay. High-frequency words help us read and write faster. Simple sentences tell one idea. Compound sentences connect two ideas using words like and, but, or because. These are all tools that help us become better readers and writers. So that's it for today's English lesson, grade 3. You did an amazing job learning about high-frequency words, simple sentences, compound sentences. Always remember, the more you practice, the more confident you become in reading and writing. Thank you for listening and participating. See you next time and keep up the great work. Love and prayers, Teacher Sha. Goodbye.